Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more technical videos. Thank you, and let's get started. Today I'm going to show you how to install VMware Workstation 15 in your physical Linux system. So let's fire up the terminal and log in as root. su hyphen the password. Before doing any installation, we need to check our repositories, that is there any update packages are available or not. So apt-update and apt-upgrade, both the command we need to use. So it is fine, no packages are available right now, the system is fully upgraded. Okay, now we can start our installation process. So these are the files which we need to use for our installation: .bundle file and the .txt file. In that .txt file, all the commands are written there, which we are gonna use it for this installation. Okay, these are the commands which we need to use for our installation. So let's fire up the terminal once again. Now we can use apt-get update or apt-update. So I already used it before this process. So now I'm gonna use apt install gcc build -essential -y. So let's just find out the file location from the terminal. So it's in the document folder. So cd/home/bobby/document and the folder name or directory name. So you can see that these two file names are there: the installation process and the bundle file. I hope this video is informative for you. If you find out any problem, any issue regarding this installation, you can ask me anytime, and don't forget to subscribe. Take care.